When I walk through home stores, I see these coasters that are so cute. I'd love to have a set, but they are so expensive. So today I want to show you how to make these cute little coasters using sublimation. Pretty quick, 10-15 minutes, you can have a coaster made. Oh, they're just so cute. For your home, for gifts. Well, hey, I'm Barbara from BarbaraMakesCrafts.com. I teach and inspire you to level up your craft game. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, if you're coming back, I appreciate you so much. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's head on over to Design Space and get started. All right, so here we are in Design Space. I have started a new project and I'm going to head over to Design Bundles. So this is my cart. We're going to be working with this bundle right here, and you can see the day that I am filming this. It is $3.25 and you get 9 different designs. Download the file because I've already purchased it. All right, it's finished downloading. Okay, back to Design Space. We're going to upload that file into our upload folder. Just click on upload image and we're going to browse, and I want to work with this one, so I'm going to double click on it and we're going to select complex because there's lots of colors, lots of vibrancy. Down here, apply and continue. Now this is an image that when you load it into Design Space will cut on any size, any color material that you want, but we want this print then cut image because it has the colors and the design that we want. So we'll just hit upload and it's going to upload that into a place where I have all my uploads. So you can see that it showed up here in my recent uploads. Click on it to select it and add it to the canvas. So I have measured the coasters and they are about 6.3 inches wide. So I'm going to take this image to see more of the canvas. The coaster is round, it's a circle. So here is our circle. The first thing I want to do is turn it white, and then I want to size it. And like I said, it is 6.3 inches. So I'm going to unlock right there. If you put in 6.3 in the width, it's automatically going to change the height to be 6.3 inches. And I'm going to see less of the canvas now so we can see more. Okay, and you'll notice that when I slide the design over to the coaster, it is behind the coaster. So up here where it says arrange, we just want to send it to the front. All right, so I've got my design the way I want it. I've got it the size the way I want it. So my next step is going to be to hit make it, and I want to show you something when we do this. So it's going to print just like this, and it's going to cut around each one of these letters. That is going to be very, very difficult to weed. In fact, I did try to weed it like that, and I could not get these letters that are not part of the background to come out, weed out, and you see there's a space there where they're not attached. So that's just not going to work. So I'm going to cancel and come back to my circle, and what I want to do is I'll just go up here and select all, and I'm going to come over here to the below the layers panel and see where it says flatten. We're just going to flatten it, and what that does is it makes it all one layer. The circle and the design are both all one layer, so it's going to cut around that circle, and instead of each individual little piece. And so you can't see it here, but it is going to turn out. So we will head over to print this out. All right, now we're going to remove the mat. We're going to take that down using our heat resistant tape. Guys, be sure to use heat resistant tape because if you don't, you're going to end up with a sticky mess that you're not going to like. So there is no weaving with this because the blade cut clean through. And then I'm going to tape them each down a couple of times. So I'm going to set it on top of the coasters. Cricut's instructions on their heat guide was 400 degrees for 4 minutes with no pressure. So I've got it set to 400 degrees, 240 seconds, and I'll just push that green button to start the time, and I will be back in 4 minutes. So 4 minutes are up. So we're going to remove the heat press, put it back on its base, and I'm going to take a sneak peek here. Oh, y'all, this is awesome. Look how good that turned out. Oh, guys, that's going to look so good on my coffee table. See how cute that turned out? I think these are just so awesome. So don't forget about my giveaway at the end of April. I'll put all the details of how you can get extra entries into the drawing that I'll hold on April the 29th of 2022. I cannot wait to give this bundle away, my favorite things. Guys, it's worth at least $200, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. And guys, if you like this video, just shoot me an emoji down in the comments. And until I see you again, happy crafting!